everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Racina. If this is your first time seeing me, subscribe to my channel so you can see me again. But in today's video, I decided that I wanted to play with my hair today and see what other hairstyles I could do. But yesterday I realized that I don't really have that many hairstyles that I like to do to my hair. So I want to expand my horizons, and I went on Pinterest and I found a couple hairstyles on other girls that I would like to recreate. So that is what we're doing today. But without further ado, let's jump into today's video. So the first hairstyle that I want to do is this one right here. I think this is such a cute hairstyle and I really hope I can recreate it. So I'm not really gonna talk too much throughout these because I am trying to learn, but let's get into the first look.
Perfect.
Okay everyone, so this is the first hairstyle. This is how we're looking. The ends of my hair right here aren't staying closed like hers are. My hair is just not trying to do that right now. So I'm gonna tie this little rubber band at the end because my hair isn't staying closed. Okay, so this is the finished look of the first hairstyle. I actually really like it. I think it's super cute. 10 out of 10 would recommend you do this look. So the next hairstyle I think I'm gonna do is a slick back puff. So it's this picture right here. I want to do this one next because the other hairstyles that I have, one of them's a puff and the other one is like a slick back with a headscarf. So I'm gonna have to slick my hair anyways, so that's why I got this one out of the way so I could have the definition of my curls before I remove all the definition and slick it. So we're gonna start. I love slick backs, so this is one of my strong areas. So I'm gonna take my hair out and then I will be back when I start the look. Okay guys, so I took my hair out, but now I'm gonna slick it back. I don't think my puff is gonna be that big. Just spray my hair. Okay, I'm gonna change the look a little bit. I did the first initial bun. This is not the end bun. I'm gonna fix up these, and then we're gonna do our edges, and then I'm gonna slick it all again.
Perfect.
Okay guys, so my puff isn't as big as hers, but I did it. So this is how we're looking. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the third hairstyle. And I think for the third one, since my hair is already in this kind of like stretched, slick back position, I'm gonna wrap a scarf around it. So I'm gonna actually wrap a bandana around it just because I don't really want to use a scarf. I'm more of a bandana kind of girl. So let me go get one and I'll be right back. I'm actually wearing a bandana shirt. Bandana gang. Okay, so I'm gonna take my hair out. She has both of her sides slicked down, so that's what I'm going to do. Ooh, I should probably untwist these if I'm gonna do that. If you guys want to see a twist out video, please let me know. So now I'm gonna go in and define my curls a little bit, just so that the hairstyle just kind of looks a little better. In my opinion, I like when my curls are more defined and more like curly. This isn't really a tutorial, but if you want to follow me and do what I'm doing, then yeah, you can do it like this. This is the finished look. Let me know in the comment section down below on a scale of 1 to 10 how you would rate every single one of these, because I personally think I did pretty good. I mean, is it the same headscarf? No. But did I slick my hair like she did? Yes. Let's move on to, I submitted one of my assignments this morning and I submitted the wrong one. And I had to email my teacher and tell her that I submitted the wrong one. With the next hairstyle, this is what it looks like. And I do top knots all the time, but this top knot is a lot more like curly and like hanging on her like face right here. So without further ado, let's jump into the next hairstyle. Okay, so in the back, it looks like she has some curls hanging down. So I'm gonna section off a small section of hair at the bottom so that I can do the little bottom curls. And now we're gonna put the puff up. So now I have the top knot part, and now I'm gonna define my, I'm gonna define the curls down here, just like she has. I feel like I'm literally losing my vision because I am looking at the camera, but like I'm looking at the mirror, but my eyes are like this, so it's hurting my eyeballs. So far, this looks cute. Okay, I don't really know what way to swoop this middle one. Okay, so now that I've done that, I'm gonna define my curls so that it can look similar to hers. And this is the last look. Tell me how I did. Okay, so that is all of the looks that I have for this video. If you guys want to see me do a part 2 to this video with different hairstyles, please let me know in the comment section down below. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button so you guys can see me in my next video. Thank you guys so much. I have not said this yet, but thank you guys so much for 140 subscribers. It means the world to me, and I know to a lot of people they're like 140 really sis, but to me that means the absolute world. So thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel and watching my content. But for now, goodbye.